Hit play. Hello guys, it's me, Andrew Bowen, and I'm right here with my cousins, and this is the brand new helicopter that I bought at the Dollar General. This is $5 Optimus Prime for him, the ghost mask for Samuel, and now we're gonna go outside.
Yeah, dudes, we are, and
I got a new look.
And make sure to subscribe to all of my other videos. So
they will subscribe, trust me. Guys, it's kind of sprinkling, but not much.
it's okay.
And I
Just
kept
make
feeling
sure
drops
that
on my
you
face, but it's not raining that hard out here. So
Yeah, so
we're going to be
watch
flying this helicopter.
Yeah.
This thing took at least a couple of minutes, at least.
Yeah. Get it.
45 minutes at least.
No, not 45. About 10 minutes to get it fixed.
Yeah, the blades wouldn't go on. That's going to be an issue
And my
for y'all. Yeah, so
cousin Samuel wearing the ghost mask was being an
Yeah.
idiot.
stop being a
What's
weirdo.
this?
Guys, this helicopter does not fly well, but if you want to do some modifications,
Yeah, it doesn't go like this.
if you want to do modifications, you can do that. We don't really care
Let
because
us
it's
know in the
Dollar
comments
General.
below if you like our video
hey,
on like
hey.
helicopter.
Hey guys, I believe
Yeah.
I can fly. Watch. I believe I can.
And now take 2.
I got you.
Yep,
Holy shit.
they're rolling.
Go, trailer.
Yeah, young. Take 2.
Yep.
Take 1. Watch the helicopter.
Yep.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, now.
Oh! Oh!
That chopped it.
Oh my god, I actually chopped it. Guys, this is
Yeesh, what a beast.
It's raining!
Wait, Andrew, stop walking and let people see it. Yep.
Come on, guys. It's Andrew's turn again. Oh, yes, you want
Sammy's acting like an idiot. I don't know why he's wearing that.
Christopher.
Yep.
It's gonna be your turn now.
Actually, no.
Hello, guys.
So, yeah, the helicopter does not fly well at all. Like we were saying, if you want to do modifications, we don't care.
And subscribe to our channel.
Also, I don't know what you want to do to it. Just
Please
whatever you
ignore
want,
that, what he
so-
just did.
I'm gonna try flying this since Andrew wanted to give up. I don't know why, but here we go.
I'm taking turns. Take 2.
Turn, take 2. So we're gonna fly this,
Action.
and hopefully it doesn't slice that tree like the first episode.
Hold on.
Oh shit!
Oh, I should have landed it. It landed it. My turn, guys. Oh, I'm going to try it. Andrew.
Where the heck did it go? Oh.
Hey, guys. I am going to try it now. Guys, I am not going to try it with the ghost mask. Come on. Yeah. I tried it the last episode with without the mask, so I'm going to try it with the mask this time.
But then we're gonna play next video with Little Prime, wherever he is.
No, we're gonna do it in this video.
Oh, shoot.
So yeah, we're back, and holy moly! Yeah, guys, it's fixing to get bad. I think a hurricane might be hitting, but it's a storm.
Okay.
We're not sure, but look.
Basin.
So it's my brother Samuel trying for the kill. Okay, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
I like it. Guys, play the door there. I
Let me
Mr.
try now.
So the owner that's right here in front of us. By the way, we're gonna be making a video about the mask as well, and my mini prime.
Is gonna be about sticks, weapon sticks, awesome.
Yeah, and I also have a little prime that would be the last episode because I don't want to bring them outside yet until all this rain's over with, and maybe next weekend. I don't know. So yeah, we'll see the little prime
Hide
next.
all these weapons and
Whatever.
make sure that we I hope I put this.
Okay, we're ready. Let's do this. Rip it! Woo!
Did it hit it? Oh crap!
It went under the camper.
It is. Go get me crime.
That's insane.
Woo. We're gonna let Christopher do it one last time, and then we're gonna
maybe go inside for a bit, and show the mini prime off for a little bit in there.
Yeah.
Because I don't feel like doing it next weekend because we're not going to be here. Why didn't you aim the camera up? Everybody's bored. Come on, dude. People don't want to see the ground. Subscribe if you don't want to see this ground anymore. Okay? But anyway, just
And subscribe it if you think that this cousin right here is an idiot.
and leave a like if you think this is an awesome video.
Please.
Thank you, guys.
Because we're going to try to get over 1,000 subscribers and over 5 likes. And that just crashed. Okay, bye. This is going to be the end of our video. Bye.